So here are the spiders. The mama's right there. Can't see it that good. Let me zoom in. There's the mama spider. The egg sac right there. All those little tiny dots you see in there are the baby spiders that have hatched so far. Some of them are on the sides of the glass. Some are on this side. A lot of them took off. Oh look, here goes one hatching right now. And there she is, she's free. See her in there? Wish it wasn't so blurry so you could see her. They're so tiny.